The nation's highest court has handed down another bombshell decision with ripple effects across the country.
They ruled that race-based policies in higher education violates the Constitution's Equal Protection Clause. Fox's Madeleine Rivera begins our team coverage tonight. She's breaking down that decision on affirmative action from Washington.
The Supreme Court rules against affirmative action, a decision that will force schools to rewrite their admissions policies.
In a landmark opinion Thursday, the Supreme Court ruled colleges and universities can no longer use race as a factor in the admissions process, saying policies at the University of North Carolina and Harvard were discriminatory.
Asian Americans were the ones who were artificially capped low. They were being punished by Harvard University, who gave them the lower personality scores.
The 6-3 decision split the court along ideological lines. Chief Justice John Roberts, writing for the majority, said the student must be treated based on his or her experience as an individual, not on the basis of race. Many universities have for too long done just the opposite. The dissent, written by Justice Sonia Sotomayor, said the court stands in the way and rolls back decades of precedent and momentous progress. Advocates, including President Biden, are afraid the ruling could lead to a drop in Black and Hispanic students.
We cannot let the decision be a permanent setback for the country.
The NAACP is also against the decision, writing, "We will not allow hate-inspired people in power to turn back the clock." Republicans, meanwhile, are applauding the court.
Look, we want to live in a colorblind society.
Now colleges will have to grapple with how to revamp their admissions criteria.
You can still emphasize race, but you have to do it in terms of your individual struggle with racial discrimination.
The president says he's directing the Department of Education to look for other ways to build more inclusive and diverse student bodies. In Washington, Madeleine Rivera, Fox News.